Exness Broker Review 2024. Introducing Exness Broker and its reputation in the financial industry. Introducing Exness Broker and its reputation in the financial industry. Are you looking for a reliable and reputable Forex trading platform? Look no further than Exness, a leading brokerage known for its exceptional services and trustworthy reputation. With an impressive track record in the industry, Exness has garnered praise from traders worldwide. When it comes to online trading platforms, Exness stands out for its user-friendly interface and advanced features. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, their platform offers all the tools to make informed decisions and execute trades seamlessly. From real-time market data to customizable charts and technical analysis tools, Exness provides everything you need to succeed in the dynamic world of Forex trading. One of the key factors that sets Exness apart is its commitment to transparency. As a regulated broker, they adhere to strict regulatory standards, providing peace of mind for traders who value security and trustworthiness. Their reputation speaks volumes about their dedication to fair practices and client satisfaction. Exness offers a wide range of financial instruments for trading, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and explore various markets. Advantages of trading with Exness. As a newbie in the vast trading world, selecting the right platform can make or break your success. With numerous options at your disposal, weighing the advantages each platform offers is crucial. Exness is a reputable brokerage, offering several key benefits that could accelerate your trading gains. For those hesitant about taking the plunge, this guide outlines why Exness might be the right start for your trading endeavors. User-friendly interface. Exness prides itself on its intuitive platform design, catering to traders of all experience levels. Range of tradable instruments. One of the most significant draws of Exness is its access to an extensive array of financial instruments. Competitive spreads and low fees. Trading costs can affect your profits, especially for beginners with smaller capital. Advanced trading tools and analytics. In the fast-paced trading world, having cutting-edge analytical tools at your disposal is crucial. Secure and reliable trading environment. Most importantly, security and reliability are non-negotiables when choosing a trading platform. Awards and recognition. Over the years, Exness has received numerous awards and recognition for their services and performance. Some of their notable achievements include being named the Best Trading Conditions by World Finance Awards, Best Global Trading Platform by Forex Awards, and Best Educational Broker by FX Empire. Account types and fee structures. Exness offers a range of account types tailored to suit different trading strategies and experience levels. These accounts come with their specific fee structures, each catering to a different set of needs. Standard account. The standard account on Exness is suited for new traders and those who prefer trading without commissions. Instead of commission charges, the cost of trading on this account is wrapped into the spread. Pro account. The Pro account might be the best fit for traders seeking tighter spreads, but are comfortable with commissions. It offers tighter floating spreads and a fixed commission per lot. Zero account. The zero account type brings the tightest spreads possible and involves a fixed commission per lot. However, it uses the STP or NDD execution model, which may include a small spread markup to cover the execution costs. Choose the right account type. You can select the most cost-effective account type by assessing your trading frequency, strategy, and preferred instrument. A Pro or Zero account could be suitable if you're a high-volume trader, given the lower spreads and separate commission pricing. Withdrawal options on Exness. When withdrawing your funds from Exness, you have several options at your disposal, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. These options typically include bank transfers, credit/debit cards, e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. The term instant indicates that a transaction will be carried out within a few seconds without manual processing by our financial department specialists. Regulation. Exness is licensed and regulated by leading international governing bodies, allowing you to trade knowing your financial security is protected. Financial Services Authority, EFSA. FSA is the autonomous regulatory body responsible to license, regulate, enforce regulatory and compliance requirements monitor, and supervise the conduct of business in the non-bank financial services sector in SECLs. Central Bank of Cura AO and Sint Maarten, CBCS Exness is a securities intermediary authorized and regulated by the Central Bank of Cura AO and Sint Maarten. Financial Services Commission, FSC Exness lead is authorized by the Financial Services Commission. Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CISEC Exness is a Cyprus investment firm, authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Financial Sector Conduct Authority FSCA Exness is authorized by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa as a financial service provider. Financial Conduct Authority EFCAI Exness Alatid is an investment firm, authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom. Bonuses and promotions. Trading in the Forex market can be daunting, but with the right financial tools, it can also be lucrative for traders and investors on the well-established platform of Exness. Bonuses and promotions can provide the extra boost needed to take trading to the next level. Exness offers a range of bonuses and promotional offers. These can include welcome bonuses for new signups, referral rewards for bringing others onto the platform, and loyalty programs for long-standing clients. Customer support. In the fast-paced and often unpredictable world of online trading, robust customer support is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. As a Forex trader or online investor on the Exness platform, you count on quick and reliable assistance to navigate the complexities of the market and the tools you use. This guide is designed to help you make the most of Exness customer support, ensuring a smooth trading experience. Contacting Exness customer support. Phone support. To contact Exness via phone, dial their international support number, which can be found on their website. From there, you'll be connected to a support agent who can assist you in your preferred language. Live chat. The live chat feature is accessible within the trading platform and the Exness website. Click the chat icon, fill in a few details about your query, and you'll be connected with a support agent in seconds. Email support. Sending an email to the Exness support team is straightforward. Use the support email provided on their website, and make sure to include all the necessary details about your question or issue. Background and history of Exness. Exness was founded in 2008 by a group of finance and IT professionals with the goal of providing high-quality trading services to clients worldwide. The company is headquartered in Cyprus and is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CISEC. They also have offices in the UK, Seychelles, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Is Exness a good broker? In the vast world of Forex trading, selecting the right broker is pivotal to your success. For traders and investment beginners looking to navigate this complex landscape, Exness is a name that often surfaces in discussions about reliable brokerage services. This guide closely examines the critical aspects of Exness as a broker, helping you determine whether it's a good fit for your investment needs. Check the description below, click Exness link, and open an account on Exness and start trading. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.